You say the world is in grief. There is so much happening all around. Atrocities are happening, and now we see the condition of Afghanistan. So many things are happening. What is a message for general mankind? Do you have to say something about it? And the answer comes: outer world is all reflection of your inner world. All this chaos is happening inside each individual, inside you, inside any other person. There is so much you want. There is so much you desire. There is so much you are craving for. There is so much you want to achieve. You are longing, you are dying, you are pleading. You want money, good health, relationship. You want status, you want career. You want social recognition. So much you want, so much you want. And that creates so much of heaviness, chaos, uneasiness, anxiety, panic, fear inside you. And when there is so much of panic inside you, how can you see peace and harmony outside you? So that is all what you are seeing, hearing, listening through the news channels, through the newspapers, through every other source of information. It's mere reflection of your inner world, your only contribution to the world, the only message to every person on earth is to create inner harmony within yourself. And then you will ask, how do I do it? Put reins to so many wants and needs and demands. You will get everything, but you are pursuing it hard, running behind it to the extent of greed. Your Creator who has sent you on earth knows it all. He knows what you need. You just have to sit down, take long deep breaths, and enjoy the present moment. You are spoiling the present, you have already spoiled the past, and you will spoil the future by just running after your wants and your needs. The best way to create inner harmony is to just take leap of faith and understand whatever is happening is in complete perfection. Just understand. Stop beating around the bush. Just understand whatever is happening is under divine scheme of things. And everything which has to happen will happen in its own divine timing. You think you are the doer, but that is a very, very wrong concept. You are just supposed to surrender to your higher self, and it knows how much of effort and how much of action has to be taken by you, the human being that is you, and your body. Your spirit knows it all. It is in the right direction, doing things as per guided, as per directed. Stop using so much of logic in your brain. It is not going to take you anywhere. The only contribution any man or woman can do to the planet is to just bring peace into his or her own heart. And when from that heart ripples and ripples of energy are sent out into the planet, that is where your contribution to earth is counted. Not by the measure of the worries, the anxieties, the frustrations, the trauma, the dissatisfactions, the incomplete feeling in every sense, the feeling of adhurapan, all this is being emitted. Unhealthy competitions, getting nervous by seeing other people's work and success, losing your peace on things which do not matter, is not taking anybody anywhere. The fact of the matter is, each one is unique. Each one has its own sole purpose. It could be somewhat similar, but if you go into deeper understandings, you will understand that each one is unique, doing his own, her own bit. Nobody can be compared with anybody. There is no need of any unhealthy competition. There is no need of anybody stealing anybody's stuff. Everybody has been given huge dimension and huge capacity of their own set of talents and creativity. And the assignments. So everybody's assignment is different. You just cannot compare it with anybody, and therefore everybody's pace is different. Everybody's actionables are different. You just cannot journalize. You just cannot measure with one scale. And this is the only thing which you have to understand. Cleanse your inner turmoil. Soothe the inner worries. Clear out the gunk, the old unforgiveness patterns, the genetic patterns which are just not serving anybody. The moment you empty yourself of all this gunk, and this is very easy, you just have to make an intention that I want to get rid of this gunk. Put a hand on your heart and truly want yourself to be freed of the gunk, of all the old, of all the past, of all the unforgiveness. And you will see automatically the universal forces will start shifting and moving in the direction to what you are directing it to. Half or more than half of clearings are done when you sleep. You just actually do not have to do major stuff. Just make intention, an honest intention, and sleep off. And you will see there will be a marginal change in the vibrations when you wake up. It might take 2, 3, 4 days or maybe a week to release the old patterns, old energies. But it will eventually be done. You don't have to run behind, push around, worry about it, or overwork yourself around it. You just don't need overwork of any kind. Your only work is to be aware and to make correct intention, and then take a leap of faith and just leave it to the universe. Life is not that difficult. You have unnecessarily complicated it. Just relax. Sleep more and more and more. And you will see wonders. You will see miracles. You will see that lightness, that peace, that absolute harmony, that indescribable perfection, and that glowing self will emerge out, which will be beyond your expectation. You are limitless. Opportunities, methods, ways of reaching your goal are also endless and limitless. Universe can do miracles and wonders in any which way. You just have to trust. Loosen yourself and sleep off, surrendering everything to the universe. And then when the inspired actions come out, take those actions with smile, easily, effortlessly, and your life will become a joy, graceful, glorious, and so be it. Amen. Blessings of love and light to you and each one tuned into and listening to this channeled message. Thank you. May your inner God bless you abundantly.